The only automated video marketing service where you can actually pull an article from the internet and upload it to Article Video Robot, have it converted into a video around your specific keywords, and then have that video uploaded to 17 of the top video sharing websites with one push of a button. There has never been a program or software on the internet that allows you to do this, and this is simply powerful for anyone who's trying to break into the video marketing arena, or maybe you've been doing video marketing for years. You will see the true potential behind Article Video Robot. So take a couple of minutes and watch this video review, and it'll show you exactly the power behind Article Video Robot and how it's going to make your business a success.
As you can see, we have the Article Video Robot wizard in front of us. Now I know what you may be thinking, that this looks like a desktop app, but here's what's interesting about AVR. It's a fully functioning online app that runs inside your browser just like your email and can be accessed anywhere. To start a new project, click on the Create a New Project button. Copy and paste the body, and there's no need to format paragraphs because Article Video Robot will do it for you. Voiceover for this paragraph. There are 3 ways of adding a voiceover. 1. Uploading an MP3. 2. Using AVR's built-in text-to-speech that reads out the text in different voices.
Video marketing is one of the best ways, if not the best way, to market your business.
After you've completed stylizing all of your paragraphs, select Next. In this section, we need to set the foreground and background property. The background color or picture acts like the background wallpaper during the movie over which all text and photos appear. Using the arrows, we can cycle through many different preset backgrounds, or you can create your own. In this section, you need to select background music. You can either upload your own in the form of an MP3, or we have over 2 gig of royalty-free stock music for you to choose from. This is the author info screen, also called the resource box. This is where you'll add all of your contact information, including a link to your website. This will be displayed at the end of the video, just like credits. You can now distribute your video to over 17 video websites like YouTube, Metacafe, and MySpace by clicking on the blue button. No more waiting to upload videos the old-fashioned way. To preview your video, just click on the preview button.
A website needs traffic in order to succeed. Without it, your business will certainly die in cyberspace. Producing quality videos to promote your online business and offline will create traffic and customers. It is very inexpensive and is a way to grab your potential customers' attention.